Good stormy Saturday afternoon and evening to everyone. GordonStateWeather.com, GordonStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, meteorologist Robert Smith, convective outlook forecast discussion on this stormy Saturday evening. It's approaching 5:45 in the evening as of this broadcast. We've got storm reports coming in and Doppler radar. We're going to get into it right now. I'm meteorologist Robert Smith. We've got waves of rainfall coming in. Showers and thunderstorms have produced a funnel cloud here in Woodbine, Woodbridge, New Jersey. Didn't touch the ground. We'll get into that in a moment. Lots of wind damage, flooding reports all over the place. Right now, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey. This was issued just a few minutes ago. Southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, north central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 this evening. Again, thunderstorms located over Irwina, or 14 miles southeast of Easton, moving northeast at about 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail. Radar indicated impact, possible damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible with this. Okay. And here we have a flash flood warning for the same locations here. It's coming in at the same time until 10 o'clock tonight because there has been 1 to 2 inches of rain in spots. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly, and there has been a lot of flash flooding reports here, back in here. And then let's see if we can zoom this out here. See if we can zoom this out. And again, we got watch boxes for flooding and thunderstorm watch boxes all over the place here with storm warnings, storm reports here all over the place. Start out with the flash flood and flooding going on in the Harrison hillside. I mean, they've had inches of rain. Digital Doppler radar indicated like inches of rain, and a lot of road closures here and water rescues here for flash flooding in Kearney, the Newark airport. Crazy, right? Newark, Union, Lake Como, New Jersey. Flooding reported on Route 71, one lane closed in each direction. Woodbridge. Spotter reported a funnel cloud at 3:07 this afternoon. From his vantage point, it did not appear to make contact with the ground. We've got hail reports here. And the hail reports coming in, about 3/4 inch size hail in Hope Lawn, New Jersey this afternoon. 1 inch size hail 2 miles southeast of Newark. 1/4 inch size hail in Flemington, New Jersey this afternoon. Heavy rain between 1 hour, between 3 and 4 p.m. Hope Lawn, New Jersey reported 2.38 inches of rain. We're going to show you digital in just a moment. Thunderstorm wind damage, peak gust here at 58 in Newark Airport just a little while ago. And thunderstorm wind damage in Hope Lawn at 54 miles per hour. That is incredible. And we'll get into this in Doppler in just a moment. Of course, a lot of thunderstorm wind gusts, 58, 54 miles per hour here in Hope Lawn and Newark Airport. Thunderstorm wind damage, again, trees down. Some power lines are down in some spots too. Lots of road closures here. Which is crazy. That funnel cloud we talked about and the flash flooding that's ongoing here. Go into Fort Dix, Mount Holly, Doppler radar here this afternoon. The next rad base reflectivity. And you can see that sea breeze front developing here this afternoon. And then we had a few showers and thunderstorms develop along that differential heating, right along the sea breeze front. And it gets interesting because those storms then just propagated from Ocean County up into Monmouth County, and then additional showers and thunderstorms as this sea breeze front stretched now, starting here and then stretching inland here. So differential heating along this line created additional showers and thunderstorms from Newark to Jersey City, Hoboken, and into New York City proper. And then everything just started to fill in. Look what happens to this line right here, this blue line here. That is the washing out of what was a sea breeze front. And now everything is just blossoming up. The cold front is backing through here. We'll take a look at the Storm Prediction Center's mesoscale analysis right now. Just a couple hours ago, we had our cold front here beginning to work in. It's still far away here. A meso low right along the front, which is now, and additional shower and thunderstorm activity, and that's continuing, and it's probably forecast to continue until this front makes its way through slowly over the next couple of hours into the overnight hours. It's incredible amount of water vapor in the air supporting this. Let's take the radar off here, and we've got better than 2 inches of liquid equivalent here, better than 1.8 here. The atmosphere is completely saturated. If we took a look at the 850 millibar analysis, it's kind of crazy, right? A lot of warming here on a southwest flow, and really the cold front is way back in here. We'll get to that in just a moment. Thermodynamics. Surface-based Lipton index is quite high at -6, -8, -3, -4. That's the shower and thunderstorm. Downdraft cape is incredible. And obviously, because of this, anything over 500 joules per kilogram, well, it's going to produce downdraft wind damage. Obviously, the flash flooding that you're seeing, the lightning, and all of that. Mid-level lapse rates, the atmosphere is kind of warm, but it's, you know, still low-level lapse rates. That looks good. Yeah, and it's increasing, but the sun is going to be coming down and being washed over by the rain here. But the atmosphere cooled down a little bit, and then the sun came out, and it's still muggy. Let's take a look at 700 millibars. This gives us a tale of where the highest level of moisture concentration is, right ahead of this cold front, where all of the shower and thunderstorm activity is lifting up into this very buoyant air mass in place. This is off the latest RAP model version 5 analysis. We're looking at the CAPE values here, the potential available energy in the atmosphere, convective available potential energy. And, you know, we've got 3,000 to 3,500, almost 4,000 joules per kilogram right now in the atmosphere to support the shower and thunderstorms which are ongoing in this area here. The CAPE actually is going to cool down just a little bit. I mean, there are going to be additional showers and thunderstorms here, but as we head into Sunday morning, things should be calming down quite significantly, especially over eastern Pennsylvania into northwestern New Jersey and the coast as well. But right now, that is not really happening at all. So we got many hours of rocking and rolling to go through here. Again, when we look at the precipitable water values this hour, you know, it's better than 2.15 inches of mass here. And we got a lot of water vapor to still work with here during this evening and overnight tonight. So expecting a lot of flooding rain, showers, and thunderstorms being washed over the same locations here with training because the flow is parallel. And until we get past midnight and into the early morning hours, that's when the precipitable water values, again, they're still quite high, but they will not support the convectivity that we're seeing tonight. And by tomorrow morning, things look pretty interesting to me because most of this, the high precipitable water values are now off the coast predominantly, excepting for coastal sections here in Ocean and Atlantic County here. And again, you know, this is nothing to sneeze about either, to tell you the truth. There's plenty of available moisture in the atmosphere. 2 meter temperatures here. These are the temperatures, not the dew points and not the heat index. Wow. But this rain-cooled air is really going to cool things down by late tonight, back into the 70s, but it's muggy. And we're not getting out of this anytime soon because there is going to be a return to the heat by tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, where temperatures again are going to feel like they're in the 80s, upper 70s here, but being washed over so much too. I showed on Facebook earlier this afternoon, we had dew points close to like 80 in a few spots. Dew points are forecasted on the WRAP model this afternoon, again, in the mid and upper 70s. This is a sultry, sultry, dewy air mass. And if we went through the WRAP model's forecast for the remainder of tonight into early tomorrow morning, you're going to be dealing with, again, same dew point scenario here in the 70s. And when the precipitation comes to an end, there's going to be a lot of fog that's forming, especially along the coast. A very interesting scenario playing out here in the National Weather Service's National Service Map from Weather Roanoke Digital Atmosphere Software. Again, warm front to the north. We're in the warm sector right now. The cold air is back through Ohio. That's where the cold front is, actually. That's just a wind shift. That doesn't mean that the air temperatures are that much cooler at all. And this may just get blocked up and stalled out again with low pressure areas developing along the front, and that's going to be problematic. Let's see. Hazards, well, I don't think that that's changed. No, I mean, it's just too much going on right now between flash flooding and heat advisories and flood warnings and flash flood warnings and thunderstorm watch boxes. Just crazy, right? Been watching this all day from the afternoon on. New Jersey Power Outage Tracker, New Jersey Projects, they put this on newjersey.com as well. It started out this morning, or late this morning, into the early afternoon at nearly nothing. And JCP&L again is now at 54% here, with 6,120 outages out of a million and change here. Again, PSE&G doing good, like they always do. And of course, we see the spikes here, where the latest spikes were just an hour or so ago, but where they are right now, JCP&L has 6,120 out, PSE&G 1,675 people out with power. And of course, at the high point here this afternoon, JCP&L had 12,419 people without power. So, you know, they're working on it. But again, it's all JCP&L always, First Energy, always has the highest outages. And in the rain-cooled air this afternoon, temperatures have come down a bit from where they were. We'll get into that in just a moment. Where it's raining, it's back into the 70s, and where the sun is out and showering, it's back into the 80s and upper 80s as well. Right over here, moderate circulation, storm tracking, probability of large hail here, max size, arrival time near Flemington, and Reedville, Raritan Township in Hunterdon County, about 10 minutes. So, you know, this thunderstorm is moving basically to the northeast at about 26 miles per hour. Probably should take off the storm reports here. Yeah, let's see if we can take these off. Well, we got a lot of lightning here. Storm tracks, no, take that off. Lots of lightning here in all of these showers and thunderstorms. So very vivid lightning. And I do believe that the latest model guidance from the WRAP may not show this. So let's switch on over to the HRR. Let's go to New Jersey right now. And let's see if we can get into lightning density. Off the latest model that is just from about an hour ago. So you can see over the next into tomorrow morning, there's lots of lightning strikes that are occurring now, and they will continue to occur in density until we reach tomorrow morning, when that waxes and wanes, and off the coast it goes. High resolution rapid refresh here for those showers and thunderstorms. They're going to be moving and pulling into the area here and there and everywhere. It's just going to be a bundle of noise around the area tonight. Lots of atmospheric fireworks going on here tonight and into Sunday morning. But the worst of this should be right now into the evening hours with the sunlight still available before the sun sets. And some of these storms are going to produce some very heavy downpours, vivid lightning, flash flooding, and you got it, power outages. Off the HRR version 4, simulated water vapor in Celsius here. These are the cold cloud tops supporting the shower and thunderstorm activity for late tonight, this evening, right now ongoing into late tonight and early tomorrow morning. And then those cloud tops begin to warm a little bit as we get into tomorrow morning. And this is looking a lot better. Well, actually, not really. Well, the cloud tops will be cooling, but, you know, we're looking at better weather conditions as we head into tomorrow morning. And the visibility will continue to suffer in the showers and thunderstorms wherever they occur this evening and tomorrow morning as well. And what I'm concerned about is the fog. You know, are we going to see much? Well, this diagram doesn't really show it, but I can tell you now that that is likely going to be the case, especially right along the South Shore and east ends of Long Island, northeastern New Jersey, and the coastline as well. Lots of clouds around the area this evening with showers and thunderstorms. Everybody wants to know if things are going to be improving as we get into Sunday morning. And right now, the latest model guidance says no. There'll be breaks in the clouds here and there, but predominantly into tomorrow morning, not so much. No, not really. This doesn't look good here.